Hi guys. So have you ever built a Power BI dashboard that looks good, but users struggle to filter the data correctly? So one common mistake is adding slicer without thinking about the user experiences, and this can create confusing in the report, blank result, and the poor dashboard usability. So in this video, you will learn how to build a professional year slicer, remove unwanted blank values, and create a more interactive customer report that's allow user to analyze data across 1 year or the multiple years easily. So let's jump on the screen. Let's suppose you're working in a company and your senior manager from the BI team give you a task that is like he sent a message to you and he want to add some slicer in the report so that user can filter the entire page by the year. So that is a basically task, and he don't want to specify the slicer to first the think what key objective I need to perform for the fulfill this type of the task. So let's suppose there is a key objective in front of us, that is one slicer to the filter. Like the first one, add a slicer to the filter the customer detail report by the year. That is one. Second one is like add a visual level filter to execute all the blank, right? And the third one, that is our task I need to perform in this. So let's jump on the Power BI and do this practically. So that is the Power BI reports, right? So first we need to add a slicer here in this report, that is a customer detail page, right? So you need to go there in this visual and search the slicer from here, right? So slicer is like click on the slicer, give the data here as a year, add the data, right? So year would be here, and then click on this, remove the filter. So you filter slicer would be like this, right? Secondly, style. So I can create any style whatever I want. Let's suppose if I want to change the style, click your visual, go to the format part, and then slicer setting. In the slicer setting, there's a one option, and then you can choose whatever you want, like tiles. Once it's blank, we'll fix that. Top down, or between, or less than equal to, or greater than. So let's suppose I'm just taking here as a between, right? So on the between bit I'm creating here little bit more format, and I'll put it here on the top of this customer, right? Little bit more format so that I can view the entire customer name, right? And click browse. So that is a slicer, right? One more thing, we need to fix the blank thing, and as per that task we need to fix the blank to the filter. So click here, go to the filter part. In the filter, visual level filter, go there, basic filtering, and select all except the blank, right? So that is task is done. So that is our task. I'll just hide all the data, right? And now you can filter like this. I hope you understood the slicer part. If you have any issue in this, you can connect with me directly. I will solve your issue. See you in the next video.